Hi guys, in front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if your device is stuck for some unknown reason, all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume down button. So just hold both buttons together like this. Keep holding. And now you can release the buttons. Just wait a couple of seconds till your device is rebooted. And that's it. As you can see, now you can smoothly use it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.